That's perfect, right? So now you can actually build your brand on those two things. Because you might find that karate is the sport that really takes you around the world. I don't know. Might be athletics, sure, but it might be karate. Might be boxing. It might be something else. But the point is, you documenting the journey, so people will see you evolve and they'll like you, and they'll, whenever you decide you want to do something different in the future, they will most likely follow you then as well. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. Second thing is adding value to your followers. Mr. Hugo, you spoke about giving information in the last session.
Yeah.
Can you maybe break it down for us, adding value to your followers? What does it mean? How would you break it down from a branding perspective?
Marketing out there. If you're marketing yourself, like you said now, you don't know where your journey is going to take you. Put your content out there, but I don't know. For me, it's not everything and anything. It must be specific to what you want to achieve. If you're an athlete, put things relevant to becoming an athlete. Not brushing your teeth in the morning because who really cares?
Mr. Kurt, what do you think? Adding value to your followers. So adding value means your followers must be benefiting from your info. So how can you help them?
I was also agreeing with you when you said with your for athletes to do with your training as well as your day-to-day. So people like other people's work ethic, the way they train, in essence, and for them to become professionals, that's what you need. Like all these new lighties that's coming through Man United, you get these Brazilians that they got on YouTube. That's how they get their opportunities overseas. You know what I'm saying? So I think it would be a good way to do it.
So you are in the electrical wire business.
Yeah.
If you were from a personal brand to add value to your followers, what sort of
I think like again I was saying, maybe get the recordings from the training itself, and then we can basically put it onto our social media, and it had to be informative.
So now your audience is learning not only about what you do.
Yeah.
I've just explained the rules. I said, you know when you saw the movie Hustle,
Yeah.
and then
That's
he
a
couldn't
very
get
good
he couldn't get into the combine,
Yes.
and then Adam Sandler's daughter was doing the video of him playing street ball
Yes.
to create attention and awareness. Yeah.
Of what he's doing,
What he was
who
doing.
he is,
Yeah.
of the numbers that he's been pulling out.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, that was a good example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good example. So adding value to your followers just means you are giving off some sort of information or just insight, or you sharing your network, or you talking to the phone and posting it on and hoping that it somehow benefits someone else.
And also like, why are you're tall but you don't, how do you get your protein? How do you get this? How do you get that? I said, he's never had a single egg or meat in his entire life since he's from day one. And I can't understand why is it, and the fitness challenges go along with most of the guys. I said, it's not that difficult. You think because of the way you're thinking, meat has got to be protein, meat gives me power, meat gives me, but it's not true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the fantastic. You could add value to your followers by explaining the benefits of being a vegetarian and how it may be helping your athletic career. You're doing two different sport codes, and they combat sport codes. Or the one is combat. What's the other one? Athletics. Okay, maybe one is contact, one is not. But thriving in both of them. Maybe your diet has to do with it. Tell your followers about that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Next one. The next one is leveraging your skill set. So leverage is one of my favorite things to do. Right? So leveraging literally means I'll give you something, but I want something in return. I have a skill. I can give you my skill. What can you give me? That will also maybe benefit me in return.